Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about nature versus culture in the concept of literary criticisms. Okay, let us start. What is eco-criticism? Well, simply defined by Cyril Goldfeldy, eco-criticism is the study of the relationship between literature and the physical environment. Very clear. So how literature discuss about physical environments, the nature. Okay. So nature in this concept is just simply exists without manipulation. Nature is passive. They exist as it is. There is no need for nature to be, let's say, ironized. Yeah, because nature is nature. Okay. But now, when we talk about culture, it is human activities where human as active agent in exploring the nature. Okay. So based on this, we can see the relationship between nature and culture, and there are 4 degrees of relationship. Okay, let's start. There are area 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Area 1 is called wilderness. Imagine the desert, the ocean, the uninhabited continent where people cannot live there. So practically there is no human interventions. Okay. Area 2 is called the scenic sublimes. In this area, human start to interfere the nature, although it is still very limited. Imagine we have the forest, the lakes, the mountain, the cliffs, the waterfall. Yeah. For example, people visit waterfall or climb mountain. They want to enjoy the scene. So we cannot avoid that in this process, human interfere in the nature. Okay. And in area 3, the countryside, we have hill, field, and wood, where people have enough interventions. Yeah, it is possible that people climb the hill, people cut the wood. Yeah, they elaborate the field. So in area 3, human being show more interventions. And the last area 4, is domestic picturesque. We have park, garden, lanes, where people design, cultivate, they use this nature for the sake of their um, need, for example, in tourism industry. So nature has been, for example, beautified in a way to attract people attentions. Okay. So how is the relationships? Well, shortly we can describe that in the first area wilderness there is no human interventions. In the second scenic sublimes, well, there is limited human intervention. Let's say 10%. This is not an exact percentage. Okay. Countryside, let's say 25%. There is a noticeable enough intervention. And finally, in the domestic pictures, maybe we have, let's say, more than 50% intervention, where human being beautify the nature for their needs. All right, that's all. Thank you.